In this video, I'll show you how to add featured image in WordPress post. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and find the post, click on it. All posts are showing here. I want to visit very first post. The featured image does not show for this post, so I want to add featured image for it. So again, go to the dashboard and you can edit the post from here, and you can edit the post from here as well. I want to edit from the dashboard, so click on edit. From the right side you can see two tabs are showing, post and blog. You have to ensure the post tab is selected, so select this post tab and click on featured image. This is the featured image. Set featured image, and you can see here two tabs are showing, media library and uploads file. You can upload the image from your computer and you can choose the image from media library. Okay, just click and choose it. I want to upload from my computer, so uncheck it and uploads file, click on select file. I want to choose this file. From the bottom you can see set featured image, click on it and save it. Visit the post. Successfully we have added the featured image. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add featured image in WordPress post. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.